be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ah! Let's try that one more time. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, 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 tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Today is another opportunity for all of us to learn about the calendar. Why do we talk about the calendar? Well, it is an instrument or something we use that is very helpful. It tells us about time, and it helps us plan, and it helps us remember stuff. Today, together, we are going to figure out what is the number in between 7 and 9 that is missing at the moment. If you'll notice, 9 is already written and it is in red. It's because tomorrow, one sleep after tonight, tomorrow is a no class day. It is Araw ng Kagitingan or National Heroes Day. Okay? So no classes for us, but just note it is a holiday. So back to this. We are missing and now looking for a number between 7 and 9. Can we count all the way to this spot over here together? If you think we can, you say, yes, we can! Nice! Alright, what am I going to bring out now? That's right, I'm going to bring out my magic back scratcher. Aha! Here it is. And what are you supposed to say out loud so that this magic back scratcher shows us its magic? That's right, you're supposed to shout abracadabra real loud. Okay? Here we go. Go! Abracadabra! Aha! From short, it became long. And now we are going to use this to count from number 1. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. That's right. 8 is the number we were looking for, and 8 is the number that comes in between 7 and 9. We are going to write the number 8 starting with the letter S, just like that. And then we're going to continue on and close this letter S here on top. 8. Where's the number 8? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Point to the number 8. Haha! This is the number 8. Thanks, guys. I have just placed 8 between the month of April and the year 2021. Now, let's figure out what day number 8 falls under. Oh, it's a pink letter T, and there is a pink card right here with the same letter T on it. But guys, this letter T is special. Do you know why? Because right beside the letter T, I see an H. When you see T and H placed side by side this way, this makes a new sound. This makes a combined sound, and that combined sound is, watch my lips and watch my tongue. I'm going to gently bite onto my tongue and then blow. Can you say along with me? Aha! Nice! Let's sing the Days of the Week song, and please listen to hear in one of the days that we sing out loud. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you hear it? Did you hear me say Thursday? Ha! I'm so relieved. Yes, this word right here says Thursday. Can you please say Thursday? Nice! Now, my friends, I need to move this card down so that the words today is are right beside the word Thursday. Let's read these words because these words will help us review what we just learned today, yesterday, and what you should be remembering for tomorrow. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Let's review. Today is April 8, 2021, and today is a Thursday. Remember, tomorrow is the 9th of April, or some people call April 9, and there won't be any classes because it is Araw ng Kagitingan or National Heroes Day. With that, I would like to greet everybody a very happy, wonderful weekend. Please stay safe. Bye!